Good morning. Okay, so I wanted to show you an example of what I'm talking about with the tonotopic arrangement. So, I don't know if you can see this. Alright, so this is the keyboard of a piano. Down here would be the lowest notes. So the lowest notes have the blue fibers attached. As we get to the middle, there's more and more yellow in there, and then up at the high notes, you get the orange, right? So basically, this is going to represent like the basilar membrane of the cochlea. And what happens? So right, so there's one note. One note has like a couple nerves attached to it, but they only attach to this frequency. This note only has these nerves, so these nerves only carry this frequency information, so on and so forth. So what happens is, remember that the cochlea isn't actually flat, it's rolled, right? So we're going to take the low end, do this so you can see. Yeah, we're going to take the low end. Okay. So we rolled it. Let's see, now if you notice, the outside has all the orange on it, right? So the orange was all the high fibers. As we get closer to the middle, you'll have more yellow, and then at the center you have blue, right? So the center of the cochlear nerve is carrying low note information, low frequency information. The outside of the cochlear nerve is carrying the highest frequency information. And as you move in and closer to that center, the notes, the frequencies that are being carried get lower and lower. The same is true of the cochlea itself, the basilar membrane, right? So like the outside of the cochlea is your highest information, right? This is like the base of the cochlea by the round window and the oval window, right? The highest notes. So this is where, so that's this is closest to the middle ear, right? So when the sound comes in, high frequency gets picked up closest to the base of the cochlea, and low information gets picked up all the way to the top of the spiral, the helicotrema. All right, hope that helps for frequency coding.